Hello, and welcome to Bento English. Today's useful phrase is, where is the station? In Japanese, you might say, Yiha doko desu ka? But in English, it's, where is the station? Let's practice it together. First slowly. Where is the station? Now try it again, a little more naturally. Where is the station? This phrase is very flexible. You can change the word station to almost anything. For example, where is the toilet? Where is the bus stop? Where is the supermarket? If you're traveling, this question will help you every day. And remember, when you ask politely, people are usually happy to help. You can even add "excuse me" at the beginning. For example, excuse me, where is the station? That sounds very natural. Keep practicing this phrase, and soon you'll feel confident asking for directions anywhere in English. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, follow Bento English on YouTube for more short, powerful lessons to use in real life.